Ready?
Let's get, yo, where Yohan Marley at, man? I see you just walking here. Yohan, where you at?
No.
Run that show for the boss, the better
Oh my God. Hey, before we go any further, let me welcome on stage my brother Jesse.
Jesse Ryan in the place.
Bugle!
Wow.
Blessings, good night. Make some noise for brother Yohan Marley. Sweet.
Said it's a blessing that every time I open my eyes,
If you know us, feel free to sing along.
this possession is like.
Yes.
I said you never leave this moment.
Why?
Oh, it's not this blessing. Everything when you require inside. Nobody can rewind time. I said you never leave this moment.
What the people that love reggae music there? How could I ever leave that job? No, don't have my prayers are gonna answer. Jah couldn't build the earth in our. Me brothers like don't have enough digging to cover. Yes, and sure as the sun gon' shine. If you're patient enough, you're gonna have your time. This world is yours. Convince your mind, and it's a blessing. And every time you open your eyes,
Your greatest possession is life.
true.
I said you never leave this moment.
Why?
Sure, stop this blessing. Everything when you require inside. Nobody can rewind time. I said you never leave this moment.
Hey, no matter what, yeah.
Every
Problem when you enter and the answer. But I know I'm not cure them and the cancer.
yeah.
And them all give straight we love to cancer. It have the cancer. Them not
Just
say that is and only example. Yeah, you cannot do me say my and I can't. It's jack up on the head out to the anchor.
Said it's a blessing that every time I open my eyes.
Yes.
My greatest possession is life. I said I'll never leave this moment.
Take it upstairs.
Hey,
So stop that stressing. Everything when you require inside. Nobody can rewind time.
yeah.
You never live this moment twice.
It's a blessing that every time I open my eyes, my greatest possession is life.
Yes.
I said you
Hey,
never
make
leave
some
this
nice for
moment.
you and one of the realest voices. So stop that stressing. Everything when you require inside. Nobody can rewind time. You'll never, you wanna way I go, man. Sure. Alright, one more. Give me now. No keep no swearing on your circle. Them when they come from every angle, that's the hurt you. It's only lions to the minded. No stick, none, no rat can be my friend. Loyalty, can't on the base of a currency. We know where she's gonna take. Unity is our sanity, is steel. Running like gravity. More from our family. Yeah, we see the lion, them good. We see the panic and the box on everyone. As the Chinese round, man, maybe a couple songs. Every man had pain, no man wanted drama. But I still strong, and I'm fully hard to. Yes, we are the lion, them good. My name is Jesse Ryan, it was my pleasure to come share a little vibe today. You know, big up my brother Josh, Sharon Berg, Great Shaggy, maximum respect for putting on events like this. Connect to the guys, see? Love.
Yes.
Jerry Wanda, Mr. Icon.
Make some noise, right? So make some noise. I'm gonna organize it now.
Yeah. Great vibe.
Anyway, I don't know, I'm gonna go on the yard.
How we doing on time?
Them say we done. Big up,
We got more artists.
big up Valiant in the house. Large up yourself, Valiant, anyway you go.
Bugle.
Big up, eh?
Bugle is right
I'm
there.
Bugle, where you there?
He's right there.
Where Bugle there? Are you Bugle, come give me a tune, man. Let me look, so come here, man. Come here, Bugle. A long time you see the come over there, sir?
Yes.
Bugle. It don't look good. It don't look good, Bugle.
Yeah, look good.
It don't look good, Bugle.
Yeah, look
Find a
good.
Bugle tune. But I want a Bugle tune.
Yes.
It don't look good, Bugle. I don't tell you, see the come over there, sir. What?
Orville, man.
Well, Emmanuel, I Selassie, I. Yeah! Cause if you blame life, you blame Easy. Shadi, you know somebody just want to be a fan tonight.
No, I'm general.
I never want to be an artist tonight.
I couldn't work.
Cause if you blame life, you blame who give it. Don't blame life, blame the way. I'm Father God, never sleep him work and him no make no mistake. Yes, if you blame life, you blame who give it. Don't blame life, blame the way how you live it. Father God, never sleep him work and him no make no mistake. Look, me exercise every day and I'm still not fit. My kids are hungry, you know. I don't worry about them pagans. I love you and I enjoy the rest of the night. Sorry, big up yourself.
Easy, Bugle, you know it, go. Bless. Bada bang bang, bada bang bang, bada bang.
Where more than one is gathered in his name. The most
You know the piece that I tell you, Bugle. Bugle, big water. Yeah. And that song, yeah.
where more than one is gathered in his name.
Can't sing it from
The
yourself.
most high is in the midst.
Well, Emmanuel, I
Yeah.
thank you, Jah, you raise me in the morning. Oh, yes, you keep me straight and like an awning. You keep my lips and all my organs and my farming. Oh, Jah, you bless and bring me in the morning. Here goes the sun again. Hey, so.
Here comes the sun shining through.
What more can I do? What can you know? Wait up!
Oh, Bush.
Yaksta Bushman, come up here, sir. Yo, but run the tune. I play some bus here now. Put them under here, watch I run the tune, me back.
How the feeling?
Are you man?
Alright, so ready for madness now. I mean, I'm dead anything tonight, you know. You know my thing, you know. How is the vibe, you know? If you give it thanks for life, it's a life. If you like money, it's a money. It's a pay money. So, excuse me, not pay gun. Oh, me not wheel. Nobody else in the broke, you know. I don't move like on the broke, so I don't like money. Put up an answer. Put up an answer. Say money. Say Shaggy, me want money. Yeah, man. But they broke the ground, man. Say they don't give thanks for life, you know. I'm just going for this entertainment tonight. Are you ready? Jump. Excuse me, no pagan. Jump. Me not seek validation. Alright, a toast and admiration. From who? From you know your patrons. Jump. You're boasting about name brands. We cost over 8 grand. Tomorrow I can have the same one. With the cost of a straight pants. Sharon Burr, why one? With what? Big hour. Try support that. Farming over flossing. Investment over. Inheritance from. Hold it. Alright, I'm going to change it up, you know. I don't know a song, you know. I don't know a song. So let's sing it one more time. I want to listen. See it, ready? Alright. Now I'm teaching you a song tonight. That's how that's it. See it? In front of you. Ready? If you love money, say money. Say rich. Say fat bill for. So, excuse me, not your guys. Me not seek validation. A toast and admiration. From who? From you know your patrons. Chuck, you're boasting about name brands. But cost over 8 grand. When shall give them have the same one? For the cost of a straight pants. Johnny B, why own a Ferrari? Alright, I wait now where to park it. Chuck, a punch of a Louis V. When here is a target. Hey, no, me I face it. Two minds me a save it. What them do? Them go blend if you trendy. Back about your empty. Come back with it. Here can sober. Gossip. Give me the one over there. Give me something else. This is a two song me have. How the feeling? Wanna discourage me? How the feeling? Wanna have cash up? Eh? Wanna have Zelle? Wanna have Scotia? Say give me money. Wanna have to get up for? Get up out on the seat now. Get up out on the seat, come. Yeah, you know what money? Wanna have to work for money, come I have to work for my money too. And then dedicate the thing and so. This is dancehall and reggae, full of vibe. Wanna have something else to me? Give me something else. The one I knew. And them say reggae dead, but we don't follow through the one them. If you love reggae music, say reggae. Reggae! Listen. Bim! Bam stabadabadik bam skedam badabadam sam stabadabadik bam skedam bim! Bam stabadabadik bam skedam badabadam staba. Listen to me. Jump! Baccarat me can't smell nasty. 12 pills fit the carty. And I grade fit the charty. Full up my country, make you pass it. Custom made from my clocks me. Burst me jeans a Versace. And the woman them a natural Barbie. They make me image disgustingly classy. Now everywhere we go, she take her rockin' from the stereo. And the cookies are both the hydrants. The signs is the on the island. Oh Lord, oh well. Everywhere we go, she take her rockin' from the stereo. More cow and no for wine pan. I saw my time in a day. Bounce me low now. Say I bees, I saw ya so come me like. Girl, I give me room, say she want me come me night. So me bust the curtain and let some sunny night. Person on the trees and my mind say just the vibes. Shatters of the tools, arms host, no bother try it. You wait me get my grains if me ever bust the rice. She take a roll, no matter broke the vibes. Push up on the one, make a wave not tonight. So baby. One more, I'm done. All right. Will it. It doesn't matter the crowd for me. It's always a performance. You are my audience. And I'm your entertainer. I want to give Shaggy, Sharon Burke, members of staff, WMGR, the same thing, IMC, every DJ, every patrons, a round of applause. Say something left today. See next time I come back, you see the man who come here with 10 money and the woman who come here with 20, me have a cow for going. You know like cow? A $1.1 million for half a cow. You know how much money that can buy a fit? See me I say? You say that for say this. We are not so too proud to represent the culture. We represent everybody else but reggae and dancehall. I watch you know. We represent every slackness, but we don't represent consciousness. Big up to the man who started, and we are follow. I'm not perfect. I was a baller before, so I'm going to make mistakes. But when I make my mistakes, I make them proud. I'm going to say that to say this. Thank you for going on the time. Give me my last song now, I'm run it. Shani B, are you up on the first stage with General? Love you. You hear that? DJ, ready? Listen. You see the year you have to spend no sense. No waste people like a start from bench. From a gal broke me. My God, no for now. My God. What do I singing? Just sing. Pull it up back again, man. Yeah, man. Set tight. That is it. You see the year you have to spend no sense. No waste people like go start rub bench. From a girl broke the bush, now touch them. God kill me if me not cut off messed up. Never know more than live for buy apartment cash. Stop pay rent and make some pagans chat. Drop 2 Raptors last month, one crash. Me a sick for the youth, so make it out high. Governments don't like to get your youth with stacks. Strap on the block, they dance send them black. Try get your waist man son and frame them that. If I never feel music, sweet stakes and I would I never be okay. Me would be struggling most days. Jump, still I'm riding out the ties. Push now, suck up to cocaine. Jump, mount of times you gon' fail. You have to know for whole faith. Jump, still I'm riding out the ties. Push now, suck up to cocaine. Cocaine. Bumps me low. Every artist, I don't know the key to them success. I'm just want to big up Sealer. Young Gideon give me the first credit I'm come a turn from country. Everybody who play a pivotal part in my career, I love you know. I'm not going to audit because I want to have a sing. But tonight is the night when time we make IMC the biggest event in Jamaica. Say Bush. I'm going to for you. Thank you.